Hello, welcome to the video. We're going to make a brief video on uninstalling a program. My name is Nizamuddin Amrali and let's get into the video. So now we want to scroll up the left start button here and right click on the software you don't want. So just click uninstall. This window pops up and you want to scroll down until you get to the software you're looking for to uninstall. So click on that software that's called Subliminal 360. Go up to the top where it says uninstall and click uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Subliminal 360? Click yes and just wait a few minutes and click yes again. Just wait a few minutes and there it is, it's gone. So thanks for the video, please subscribe and I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, thanks.